Hello, I'm a technician, and today I'm going to introduce some of the tools I use in my work. Have you ever wondered what these tools are called in English? In this video, you'll learn the names of common technicians' tools, their pronunciation, and how they're used. Whether you're learning English, studying a technical profession, or simply curious about tools, this lesson is for you. Let's get started.
Screwdriver. It's a tool used for tightening or loosening screws. Wrench. It's a tool used for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. Hammer. It's a tool used for driving nails into wood or other surfaces. Pliers. They are tools used for gripping, holding, bending, or cutting objects. Saw. It's a tool used for cutting wood, metal, or other materials. Drill. It's a tool used for making holes in different materials. Chisel. It's a tool used for carving, cutting, or shaping wood. Tape measure. It's a tool used for measuring length or distance accurately. Sander. It's a tool used for smoothing rough surfaces. Hammer drill. It's a powerful drill used for drilling into hard materials such as concrete or brick. Allen key. It's an L-shaped tool used for tightening or loosening hexagonal screws. Spanner. It's a British English term for a tool used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Clamp. It's a tool used to hold materials firmly in place. File. It's a tool used for smoothing, shaping, or removing material from a surface. Socket wrench. It's a tool used for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts efficiently. Crowbar. It's a lever tool used for prying apart or lifting heavy objects. Drill bit. It's a cutting tool attached to a drill for making holes. Rivet gun. It's a tool used for fastening metal pieces together with rivets. Hacksaw. It's a hand tool used for cutting metal and plastic. Utility knife. It's a sharp cutting tool used for cutting various materials. Torque wrench. It's a tool used for applying a specific amount of rotational force to nuts and bolts. Trowel. It's a hand tool used for spreading cement, mortar, or plaster. Spirit level. It's a tool used for checking whether a surface is perfectly horizontal or vertical. Impact driver. It's a power tool used for driving screws with high torque.